Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free all-in-one search app for any Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Pixel Search. Just search this application. So you can see on the second list the Pixel Search. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will give you some instructions. Just tap on the start setup. So now you can allow to access the contacts and people if you want to find the contacts using this search app. Right now I'll just skip it. You can allow it if you wish. And you can access the files as well as the folders also. You can allow it if you want. So right now I'll just skip it. So now you can see the user interface of this application. So you can see it's a modern looking, that is the material design looking app search. So this is how it looks, and at the right top corner you can see three dot icons. Just tap on it. Now inside the application settings you will see the themes, icon packs. Even you can select your icon packs. If you have installed an icon pack on your respective Android smartphones, you can select this quick app launch, and you can select the open search with whichever application you want to search. By default it will select the Google application. You can select the browsers or any other applications here, and you can set a quick search apps also. Here you can see here. So you can see quick search options. You can just change the layout just by dragging it like this. You can see the apps and shortcuts, web suggestions, contacts, files. You can even get a search widget also, and search styles. Even you can add it on the notification toggles also just by tapping here, and edit buttons. And you can get a pixel search also. You can just add it on the app tiles also if you wish. So right now I'm not gonna add. So this is all about the app settings. So now you can either place the application shortcut, and you can just tap it and you can search, say, gallery. So you can see here, or you can use widgets also. If you want to add a widgets of this app search, just tap on widgets. You can see here pixel search. Just drag it, and now once you tap this widgets, it will open the same search bar. From here you can search anything. Let us try Chrome. So using this application named as Pixel Search, you can easily search each and every files or applications very easily in any Android smartphones or tablets. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.